This is the introductory and everything you need to know about the platform. So if you are new and this is the first time you are watching my video either on YouTube or on the Telegram, you are welcome. Please, I know as I mentioned some of these things you might not understand, but you need it, and I beg of you, please watch this video till the end without skipping, because if you snooze you lose. So what is this platform all about? This platform is a platform that gives you some tasks that you do on daily basis, and as you perform these tasks you will get paid. And it doesn't matter either you have 0 following or 100 following or 1,000 following. It doesn't matter, in as far as you are a lady. Once you sign up, you do your authentication, okay, and then you are being added to an agent, then you can start performing your tasks and you earn money. So how do you sign up? On the Telegram, on the pin post, maybe where you see this introductory video, that is if you are already on the Telegram, you are going to see all the steps. The step 1, the link to sign up. The step 2, a video that is showing you practically how to sign up so that you will not make any mistake. Don't just go to sign up. After the link to sign up, first of all, click and watch how to sign up. Then you click the link to sign up, okay? The only thing is that if you are a guy, honestly, with time I discovered that the platform does not favor guys the way it favors ladies. If you are a guy, before you start performing a task, you must get to some certain level, which is level 10. And for you to get to level 10, you have to be gifting and gifting. Okay, so the guys that are there, I find out that they have to be gifting people. That's why gifts just there beaucoup for there. There's a lot of gifts there because the guys are gifting to up their game to get to level 10. But if you are a lady, you don't have any problem. All you need to do is to sign up and then start performing your tasks, and just be patient. In the same Telegram, I'm putting the step 1, step 2, step 3, everything from how to sign up, okay? How to do your authentication, how you can sign up and do your authentication, how you can add yourself to my agency, which is very important. The agent you belong to matters a lot. Don't just sign up and start going live. Ensure you add yourself to the agent, which is me. My own agency is Ijaparigang, and here's my code. So you watch that video detail that I explain on how to sign up so that you can add yourself automatic to my agency, or you can drop as I described in that video so that I can add you myself manually. You will notice that I'll be looking like this because I took my time to answer all the burning question that is coming up. So then once you have done your authentication, you have been added to my agent, the next thing you need to do is to start performing your tasks. And how do you perform tasks? If you check again in the Telegram, the step by step, there's a step that you see I say how to perform your tasks. You watch that video, it will show you how to perform your tasks. But basically there are 2 tasks that they give you on daily basis. The first task is for you to go live on your own. Don't join live stream, other people's live stream. Just start your live. Either people come or people do not come, or you earn and stay there for 1 hour. So on how to perform a task, I will show you how you can check how long you have stayed and how you maximize your stay. So you are going to learn that practically. The second task is how you need to join a party and sit on a crown seat. So if you join a party, you are not in a crown seat, it's not going to be counted. And again, there's a practical video on the step by step in the Telegram. Once you click that welcome, I'll put it every step, all you need to do and how to do all these things that I'm mentioning. That's why I said you need to be patient. And thank you. If you are watching up to this moment, you are a goal. Thank you so much. Okay. So, and the moment you sign up and start the party, okay, the first day and the second day, you will be earning 10,000 coin per live stream. So that 10,000 coin is for $1. All right, the second day $1. But the third day, the subsequent day, if you join a live stream, they will give you 2,000 coin. And if you join a party and stay in a crown seat, they will give you 800 coin. And the 800 coin is twice. So on how to join a party and how to earn and receive your money, I have also another practical video in the Telegram. Just click on the welcome page. You see I'll say step 1 this, step 2 this, step 3 this. You will understand if you are patient. Thank you so much if you are still watching. Okay, the next thing is, how do you make money? Have different ways that you can make money on the platform. The first one is by performing your tasks, which is by going live and joining a joining a party and sitting on a crown seat. The second way is through treasure box. I've been earning boku through treasure box. I will not lie to you, but the only thing is that if you have not performed your tasks, even when you join a party, you will not be seeing treasure box. So you need to perform a task. And if you are the one hosting a party, you will not be seeing treasure box until you get to some certain level. But me, I am still in level 1. Okay, I'm still in level 1. So but I am earning. Okay, so, and even if you are just a beginner, you can also host a party, which I will also show you in the steps how to host a party. All right, so another way you can make money on this is through fireworks. So when you stay in the party, you will see fireworks passing. You will see in the comment, they will say fireworks will boom in the next 60 seconds. So if you click go and see, if you click on go, if you go there, all you need to do is just go there and stay. Before you know, a firework will happen and it will blow and you earn coins. You will receive coins. So sometimes 100, sometimes 200, right? Another way but one thing you should note is that if you are sitting on a crown seat, don't follow to go and see firework, because the moment you leave your crown seat to go another place, your time is not counting, and before you know, somebody will go and sit on your crown seat. So if you are performing a task and sitting in a crown seat, don't follow firework. But if you are just sitting and you are gisting, you are learning, you are networking with people, you can just be going and be grabbing for yourself some coins for fireworks. Another way you can make money is by playing games. This one shocked me. Like, sometimes there's a lady, we're in a party hall like this, we are just gisting. So she says, see treasure box. She click on it. When she click on that, she earn some coins. So she now decide to use that coin to play a game. She doesn't even know how to play a game. She said, how do she play a game? We're just listening about it, and she click and play a game. Lo and behold, she won 3 million coin, which is 300 US dollars. If you convert it to naira, my sister, it shocked me too. So but I'm not saying go and pack all your coin and play game. If you don't sabi play game, hold on and learn how to do it. That's another way people are making money. Another way you can make money is by receiving a call. This one too shocked me. So as you are in that, going up and down different party, sometimes some people can just call you. For you to pick that call and talk, there's a video call, there's audio call. So you know me, anything video call, you know, say I know go there. I am a mother of 4. But some people just want to call you to ask you some questions. It's not everything that is just about that. If you understand what I mean, let's go there. So yes, if you answer a call, you earn, right? Another way again you can make money, you can earn coins, is through referring. But when it comes to referring, please, I beg of you, if you are new, don't just go and be referring people without understanding how the platform works, and at the end of the day, they will feel bad. So as you are new, you are welcome. Enjoy yourself. Understand the platform. Now know how it works. You earn by yourself and see for yourself. Withdraw it and see how it works, so that when you bring somebody, you'll be able to tell the person, see what to do, see what not to do, see what to do, see what not to do. It is important, all right? You do that. The next thing I want to talk about is adding a logo. Like me now, my agency logo is this. And if you want to learn how to add this logo to yourself, I still do a video in the pin post in the Telegram. You will see how to add our logo, so that you can go and edit and add our logo. Adding logo is also very important, so that if you want to join a party, when we see that this is our member, because with that logo we know that you are our member, we can give you crown seat to sit on. So aside from adding that, you also note that even if you are new, you can host your own party, okay? But if you are hosting a party, it does not count for you as a tax. So mostly me, that I will just host a party, I will be sitting so that you people will come and be sitting on a crown seat. That does not count for me as my own tax. Me myself too, I need to go and sit in another person's party and sit on a crown seat, so that I'll perform my task, so that I'll earn that 800 coin. So but all the 800 coin and the 2000 coin and the 10,000 coin I'm talking about, as you go to more levels, if you want to, your earning coins increase. As you perform each and every of your tasks, how much you'll be earning and the hours you'll be staying will also change. And how do you go to the next level? If you want to update and go to a higher level, you need to buy coin and be gifting people. The higher you gift people, that is where your level will take you to. But that does not stop you from earning. Do you understand? Yes, ma. Please, if you have not liked this video by now on YouTube, how about now? Please give me a like, okay? I am really taking my time. They say I am talking too much, but I'm providing value at B. So please try and drop a beautiful comment for me. This will motivate me a lot, so that the more I'm seeing things like this, I'll be letting you know. Another thing I want you also to know is that if you start your own hosting, you can wait. You don't have to wait until it is me that is hosting, so that you sit on a crown seat. You can imagine, as I'm making this video, we are almost 1,000 in that Telegram. How can I host? And if you are hosting, it's only 3 people that can sit. So what do? So I encourage us to come together as a community with our logo. Sometimes if you go and you do not see me, you can come to the Telegram and ask, who is ready to host us now? Let us host. One person can sacrifice to go and create and say, okay, I've created, oh, you guys should come and sit. Maybe if you host and 2-3 of your members sit, all right, then later one person can go and host, so that others can do, so we can all grow. Okay, the sky is big enough for us all to fly. It is possible. It is important. So I hope with this video, you are able to understand what this platform is all about. And if you notice, all this while as I'm talking, I refuse to tell you the name of the app. The reason is because if I tell you the name, you go and download it, and I will not earn commission for referring you. So it is important for you to click my link to download the app. All the link I mentioned is in the Telegram. And on YouTube, if you are new and you want to understand, Kai, Ijabari, I have not seen you this calm. I'm talking. Money is already speaking. What is happening? What are gone? Just check the description of this video. I'll drop the links to other videos I've made related to this, so that you understand what the platform is all about. But if you don't want to waste time, just click the Telegram link that I will drop in the description, and I will drop it in the comment section on YouTube. That will take you to the Telegram, because I'm posting this on YouTube, but majority of people that will be watching, they will be on Telegram. So I go to end for YouTube, I go to end for Telegram. Do you understand? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you do. You can imagine how many things you will be missing all this while.